Hello everyone, Paul ZRC coming to you from my garage in Texas, and this is our maiden video of the Black Horse ViperJet 2000 millimeter. I loved flying this thing. I had 3 flights on it right now, and just one word of caution in general, get the CG right. And in this video you will see how I have CG'd my model. Mine was nose heavy, way too nose heavy. And it actually affects roll rate and other aerobatic maneuvers. So don't recommend that. There will be a table displayed here that will show you the rates I used for all the control surfaces. It's a good way to start that. The model behaves really well. I do have a flap elevator mix that you can see right now here. So when the flaps are up, the elevators are a little bit up to compensate, to keep it flying level. And then there's quite a bit of down elevator on mid flaps and a little bit more on full flaps. And it's about almost 20%. So the plane tends to balloon when the flaps are down. Other than that, it's great. It was a lot of work, as all Black Horse jets are. But it was worth the time. It's a really rewarding jet. So enjoy the Maiden videos.
In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. If you need any trimming. Here we go. Throttle out. It's going to come in nice and slow. That's looking real good. Nose level with the horizon. You're on center line. Look at that. Woo-hoo! Like a dream.
So for the CG, I initially maidened with a plain nose heavy, and it was too nose heavy. I don't recommend that. What I recommend is to use this factory jig. It's actually pretty well designed and right on spot, and get your plane to be neutral. This one is still just a tad nose heavy, but if you, it's kind of neutral because now it's swinging back. So anyway, a neutral CG using this rig is what I recommend. Then the plane should fly great. I had to put some weight in the tail. Even nose heavy, she flew great, but it was, it wasn't aerobatic enough. So I do recommend a neutral CG. Even I might go even further aft a little bit, but we'll see. I'll fly it some more.